Hey guys, it's Justine, and today I'm unboxing the new Animal Crossing Nintendo Switch. I'm honestly really excited about this, but I initially, when this was first released, I told myself, Justine, you don't need this, don't get it, don't buy it. So I missed the pre-order deadline. And then as the time was nearing, I definitely got FOMO, and I went on eBay, and I did some things. And that's where we are today. This is one of my favorite games. It is so much fun. So the fact that I was gonna pass on this incredible Nintendo Switch, I'm not really sure what I was thinking. I think I was trying to be a responsible adult, and then I remembered, you're not, Justine. You're not a responsible adult at all. I know there's been a lot of delays in other countries because of all the things that are happening right now. So hopefully some of you guys who did order this will get it within a reasonable time frame. But if not, I feel like a lot of you guys already do have Switches. So thankfully, well, it's actually not thankfully, the game doesn't actually even come with this console. So if you did happen to order this and you already do have a Nintendo Switch, you can still play it. But I think one of the things that is up in the air is how will you be able to transfer your island to another Nintendo Switch? I think eventually that is something that obviously Nintendo is gonna have to address. Depending upon when you're watching this video, maybe they already addressed it, but from what I saw online right now, they haven't yet. Either way, I'm very excited about this. This comes out on my birthday on March 20th, and it's crazy because I feel like the last several years, video games have come out on my birthday, so it really is one of the best gifts. I mean, I could not have asked for a better gift than this to be released on my special day, because I will be probably still quarantining myself in my house, which I planned on doing anyway. Okay, let's unbox. The box is beautiful. Everything is, oh, look at you. The blue and the green, perfect colors. What a great combination. Both of those colors also look really great with pink. So here's the console itself. Still, I know this has been out for so long. The fact that this right here is a console, everything that you need is in here. So it's got a really cute little Animal Crossing design on the back. Tyler, have you played this game before?
No.
Well, I know what you're gonna be doing. You're gonna love it, and then you're also gonna be like, what have I done? What have I done? Like you wake up in the morning and you start playing because it's real time, like real time with what? Like your, yes. So like shops close if you don't get to them in time. It becomes a lifestyle. Okay, so we've got some of the usual goodies. We've got our little controller here to put both of the Joy-Cons together. I love the colored straps. Look at this. Oh, the blue and the green to correspond to which controller to put them on. And your dock, oh boy. It's crazy because I've really been loving the Nintendo Switch Lite because I really don't ever dock and play games on my TV anymore. Look at this. Oh, it's really, really, really cute. Maybe I can get somebody to like paint my name right here. Like, how cool would that be?
Have you seen Marco on Instagram or YouTube?
Is it the shoe guy?
Yeah.
You were telling me about him. Marco, you can't come over because we're all not allowed out of our house. Talk to me later. Talk to me later when things are back. Okay, here's our dock. Let's open up these Joy-Cons. Oh. Oh boy, look how pretty. These look great. Actually perfect because one of my Joy-Cons just broke on my other Nintendo Switch. And remember, you can always mix and match Joy-Con colors. So maybe I can like pop a little pink one on here. Here's the little Joy-Con attachments. I love the color matching of the little wrist straps. Okay, so here it is. I guess there's really not much else. This is it. I've already unboxed it. Now I gotta transfer everything over from my old Switch. Oh, what a great sound. This is so much bigger than the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's so weird because I've been playing that for so long. Look at you. Okay, so we've got our dock. Let's put this Switch in. The puzzle has been completed. Yeah, this looks great. I can't wait to play this game. Like, I've been thinking about this probably for, I guess whenever the Switch originally first came out. If only they had Street Pass. Would you guys be interested in some Animal Crossing gameplay, perhaps? If so, give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. Even if you don't want it, I'm probably gonna do it anyway. I'm definitely excited about this game. I've been kind of actively avoiding watching any trailers or anything about it other than the initial little Nintendo Direct that they did before, because I just kind of want to go into this as more of a surprise. Anyway, I hope you guys are staying safe out there. I'm gonna have to postpone my birthday party, so that means maybe I'll have a birthday party vlog when I'm able to have it again. Or maybe I can make a birthday party vlog by myself. And maybe I'll do that. Or I can have a live stream. I can live stream a birthday party for myself. Oh, this is gonna be so fun. Okay, I'm gonna go set the Switch up now. I'll see you guys later. I feel so weird. Everything is so weird. I don't know how to feel.